Imagine the impact a radiant smile can have on your life. At Smile Avenue, we believe your smile is a powerful tool capable of crafting unforgettable first impressions. Let us guide you in achieving a confident smile that speaks volumes about you. In our fast-paced lives, maintaining a vibrant smile amidst daily challenges like coffee-fueled mornings, late-night snacking can be demanding. Underestimating or neglecting oral health concerns can lead to dental problems over time. The impact of smile insecurities transcends aesthetics, deeply influencing our self-esteem and confidence. The lack of confidence can ripple into various aspects of our life, hindering professional growth and professional connections. At Smile Avenue, we're committed to transforming these challenges into triumphs. Our advanced dental solutions from teeth whitening to orthodontics are tailored to enhance your smile, boost your overall confidence, and empower you with the knowledge to maintain a radiant, enduring smile that opens doors and hearts. Let us boost your confidence and empower you to maintain a radiant smile that opens doors and hearts.